Hello everyone, let's check out the gameplay for our telephone prop. Just a heads up, you'll need to plug in your own speaker into the audio jack. Then, just connect the main plug and the 12-volt power supply. Here is a classic way to use it. First, another puzzle triggers the phone. I'll use this button to show how that works. The phone starts ringing. When the player lifts the receiver, they hear a voice message.
Test audio for pickup. Feel free to change this to any other sound.
Then, they need to figure out the code and dial it. Here, the code is 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9. If they dial it right, a success message plays and the door unlocks.
Test audio for dialing. Feel free to change this to any other sound.
You can actually set up to 5 different groups of triggers and codes with this prop. It's super customizable. Just tell us what you need and we'll program it for you before shipping. Thanks for watching.